Hello guys, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. My name is Darnell Dallas. I'm going to teach you guys about finances and budgeting money. Everything from A to Z on how to manage your money, budget your money, like I said, invest wisely, build profitable businesses, and also buy them as well. And pretty much anything that goes along with the lines of increasing your cash flow critic maybe. And my aim here is just to make you guys get better with money and grow your knowledge every single day. Now, I'm not too good at money. This is kind of my journey on trying new stuff, seeing how it works, and like seeing if it actually makes sense. So you guys are gonna see all my fails, all my wins. I might review a few courses I took as well that may work. And yeah, I think you guys are gonna benefit a whole lot from seeing me, on my different experiences. And I'm going to only recommend the best things for you guys to do to maximize your time. So you guys can learn from my mistakes and let's go. Let's make some money together and let's be smarter with money. Thank you.